Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Throwing it back to my old broadcasting days. To do one of these. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shiba Inu. And we're introducing Shib because we are back up green, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the candlesticks. Hopefully you guys get a kick out of that. If you like that little intro, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. But we're getting a nice little jump up on the sticks right now with Shib, and part of the reason is we just got word that Webull is officially coming out and saying that they will have Shiba Inu being listed on their platform. We kind of knew this would happen. It's nice to get the official word though from Webull. We've been looking at it on the top of the app, and some people have said they've been able to buy it. We're going to dive into the official word from Webull and go over to Twitter and find that. We're also going to talk about the overall crypto market, which is slowly coming back right now green, which is great to see. And we're going to dive into the charts a little bit and go into the 5 to 10 minute candlesticks just to kind of see what kind of trajectory we could be on here throughout the rest of today. Before we do it though, I've got it linked down in the description, our private community. Now, I helped out 3 people yesterday with their portfolios. That's part of the $20 insider package. I'll take a look at your portfolio and give you my advice on what you could do a little bit different. Again, not financial advice, just my opinions here. I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment and informational purposes only, and it's infotainment, right? Something like that. But you can also go with just the $10 package to get access to the private Discord. We've got over 100 members over there now, and that's a great place to have a support system, number one, in your crypto journey, so you're not alone, and number two, to bounce ideas off of other people. There's no such thing as a stupid question in our community. That's what we really strive for, is creating an open dialogue, an open forum, if you will, for all different crypto assets. So if that's something that interests you, that link is down in the description. All right, so the overall crypto market, slowly coming back green. That's what we like to see. We're back up to a $1.96 trillion market cap, 0.43% in the green right now. Bitcoin closing in on 46K. We were just at 44K this morning. This is how quick things can change in the crypto space, okay? And we've got XRP slightly green here, Cardano as well, Binance Coin slightly green, Polkadot. Let's just roll through here a little bit. Internet Computer having a nice day today, up about 14-15%. Avalanche up 10%. And Cosmos actually having a nice little run here, as well as Algorand. Shib just went back to the red here slightly, but we are up over the 8-1 level right now. We're going to take a look at what this means for the overall outlook of Shib. So you can see some green candlesticks here. These are our sticks right now, but let's go into the half-hour charts. And here's where we'll see even more green. Look at all that green coming in right here. How about if we go into the 5-minute sticks? Okay, now we can really see a nice little trajectory here happening with Shib. And in terms of the technicals, we can take a look here. Still rated a buy. We've got moving averages showing us a buy, oscillators showing neutral. And we've been as high as the 8.2 range here, so we're just underneath that right now at 8.19. Been as low as 7.86. But this is the big news. And Rob, I'm going to come right to you on Discord. Shout out to Rob M, too, one of our private Discord community members. And shout out to Trina. Shout out to you, too. She kind of called me out. I missed the ladies. Shout out to Rune Lady. I know we've got a couple ladies in the private Discord, so come on over and join us. And okay, so let's hop into, I'm going to my Twitter here. First off, just want to say thank you to everyone. Just crossed over 15,000 subscribers right here on YouTube. Thank you everyone so much for the support. I am super grateful for it. I am very, very grateful that I have a voice in this space, and just know that we're just getting started. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to continue to deliver the news and information and provide analysis in the crypto space. And thank you. That's all I can say. And if you're new here, hopefully you can join our army that we're building right here on YouTube. So Kathy Wood just said this. This is pretty interesting. Crypto has more transparency than traditional finance. But this is really the tweet we're after, right? Webull, the countdown is on. Shib is now in beta testing. So Webull Global tweeting this out this morning. And as you can tell, getting a lot of traction. And probably the reason why we're seeing a nice little uptick in the numbers here in terms of the charts. And this is great to see for Shib. Let me go back out to the 1 week candlesticks, because we've been looking at this quite a bit recently. And we'll scroll in here and we can see what the heck's going on here. So these are 1 week sticks, okay? So right now we are working on a red week right now, but after 2 huge green weeks in a row, which we hadn't seen in quite some time, right? We had the big green candlestick in May, which saw us create all-time highs. That's when things kind of took off. But other than that, we have not seen a little back-to-back push like this. Maybe back in June here slightly, but it has not been this dramatic, okay, as we saw the previous 2 weeks. Now, we'll have to wait and see what happens this week. We're selling off a little bit this week, but who knows? There's still time left to see where we go. Now, back to Webull. What does this mean for Shib in the short term and long term? Okay, so short term here, I think we'll see a little bit of a surge in the price. Long term, I think this is really big because here's the thing. Not only is Webull adding Shib, but they're setting a precedent for other exchanges that predominantly deal in the stock exchange, in the stock market space, to add crypto. And, you know, I mentioned in my video this morning that Robinhood now is focusing more on crypto. They've said that. You're going to see brokerages across the board, in my opinion here, put their focus and emphasis more into crypto because they realize this space is just getting started and it's going to be massive. It's going to continue to get bigger and bigger. And we're going to see Shib be added, I think, to many more exchanges. Eventually, Robinhood, I think, would be a huge catalyst. Coinbase, well, we all know how we feel about that. It's frustrating, right? If we go way back till June 16th, that's when they said technical difficulties. We haven't heard anything, but yet they're on Coinbase Institutional. Makes zero sense to me, but I don't know. All we can focus on and all we can control is, well, what we can control. And right now, we know that Shib will be listed on Webull, okay? There are a lot of people that are going to be exposed to Shib for the first time. So in the long term for Shib, I think this is really big. I think Webull's platform is going to continue to grow. Crypto.com already has Shiba Inu. That platform, as I've said many times on the channel, I believe in that platform in the long term, as well as, you know, some of these smaller platforms like Voyager, which continues to grow. eToro continues to grow, right? But Robinhood and Coinbase are 2 big ones. So I say all that to say a lot of great things happening, but we still have those 2 major catalysts that can help us catapult the price. And I think Coinbase will eventually come around to it. I think they're leaving too much money on the table by not adding Shib, and we'll have to wait and see. But Robinhood, the demographic is perfect for Shiba Inu. I mentioned this in the morning update if you didn't catch it. Robinhood made a ton of money in Q2 off crypto. In particular, Dogecoin made up 60% of all their crypto earnings. So which type of investors are on Robinhood? They're the type of investors investing in the top meme coin. Well, why wouldn't they want to invest in the second best meme coin as it relates to market cap? I think they will. And I think they will, honestly, I think they'll invest in Shib before Doge because the potential gains there are dramatic, more so than Dogecoin at this point, in my opinion. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, but I wanted to put out a video here on Webull because this is big stuff, and we don't have an actual date. We've heard September 6th, but judging by this tweet, maybe we could see it even sooner. So in beta testing now, we'll have to wait and see when that official launch date is. But exciting news here for Shib and exciting news for the overall crypto market as we're slowly coming back green today. And I'll keep you up to the latest. And take care, everybody. See you in the next one.